Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can apply for the monetization of your YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can join the YouTube partner program, how you can become a YouTube partner so that you can start earning from the videos you're actually uploading on your YouTube channel. So guys, now it's very easy to do, and if you want to know how to do this, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you find this video valuable, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever we release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to log into your YouTube Studio. As you can see right here, this is the interface of my YouTube Studio app. So I'm using the YouTube Studio app, not the YouTube Studio web on the browser. So guys, now you can see it right here. So guys, now as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to apply for the monetization of your YouTube channel is to tap on where you can see Earn. You can see the Earn icon there, or the monetization icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see this is where you're going to be able to apply for the monetization of your YouTube channel. You can see what's written there at the top: become a YouTube partner. And as you can see there, it has been unlocked. That means I've been able now to meet the eligibility requirement. That means I've been able now to meet the monetization requirement. And guys, you have to take note of this. The monetization requirement for YouTube is 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days or in the last 1 year, and also 1,000 subscribers. So you must have had 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can be able to apply for the monetization of your YouTube channel. So guys, now you can see what's written there. They said start your earning journey. Earn income while connecting with your fans and gain access to support forums and creator tools. So guys, now you can see the first way you can earn money through watch paid ads. That means you can earn money through your long YouTube videos. Then over to the next one, short feed ads. That means you can earn money through your YouTube shorts. Then over to the next one, you can see the next one there, through membership. So members can actually pay you monthly in order to get exclusive videos and perks. Let me go over to the next one. So guys, now you can earn through supers. That means your fans will be able to support you through super thanks, through one-time interactive purchases. Then over to the next one, you can see it right there, shopping. That means you can actually share your products and sell it across your channel. So guys, now let me go over to the next step on how you can actually apply for your YouTube monetization. So guys, now you can see the next step there, which is two-step verification. So guys, now for you to be able to apply, before you even start applying for your YouTube monetization, what you have to do first of all is to turn on two-step verification for your YouTube channel. You have to turn on two-step verification for the Google account that you used in creating your YouTube channel. So guys, now for you to do that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see two-step verification. The process is easy and it's actually important for the security and protection of your YouTube channel. So guys, now for you to turn it on, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see where it has brought us to. You can see what's written there. Use your passkey to confirm it's really you. So guys, before you go ahead now to use your passkey, that means your phone's passkey, what you have to do now is to actually select the Google account that you use in creating your YouTube channel. You have to tap on the drop down icon. For me, I have multiple Google accounts. That's why I have to choose the right one, the one that I use in creating this particular channel that I want to apply for YouTube monetization for. So guys, let me tap on the drop down icon right away. So guys, now let me go ahead now to choose the right Google account that I use in creating my YouTube channel. Let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I've selected it and it's loading. So guys, now you can see the Google account has changed. I've selected the right one. So guys, now the next step I have to take now is to tap on where you can see continue. So let me tap on it right away. So the next step now we're going to take now is to impute our passkey. That means our phone's passkey, which can be our fingerprint, our face unlock, or our screen unlock. So guys, whichever one. So guys, now you can see what's written here. They say we should use our screen unlock or our fingerprint. So let me use my fingerprint right away. Let me input my fingerprint at my fingerprint sensor. So guys, now you can see fingerprints recognized. So it's going to take us now to the next step. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, two-step verification. Add a second step to your account. To turn on two-step verification, you first need to add a second step to your Google account, like a phone number. So guys, now let me go ahead and to tap on add phone number. Let me tap on it right away. Then let me impute my phone number real quick. Before I go ahead now to impute my phone number, let me impute my country right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see that US flag. Let me change it to my country. Let me find my country real quick. So guys, now you can see I've selected my country. So let me go ahead now to impute my number. So guys, now you can see I've imputed my phone number. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. They said verify this phone number. Google sent a verification code to my number. So let me get the code right away. can see I've gotten the code, so let me copy it. So now it's copied, so let me go and paste it right here now. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it, so let me tap on verify. Wow guys, can see turning on two-step verification, you can see it down there. Wow guys, can now see you're now protected with two-step verification. When signing in, you'll be asked to complete the most secure second step to make sure this info is always up to date. So guys, now you can see the two means that you can actually use to get access to the Google account that you use in creating your YouTube channel. So for anyone to actually log into your account, log into your YouTube channel to get access to your YouTube channel using another device, the person must actually get a Google prompt to their device, and the device actually chosen here is your phone, the phone that you actually use in doing this. So no one will be able to get that Google prompt apart from you. And also for the phone number, you're the owner of the phone number, so Google will be able to send you codes that you can use to actually gain access to your YouTube channel. Anyone who doesn't have your phone number cannot get access to your Google account. So guys, now you can see this, I can actually protect your YouTube channel, your Google account using the two-step verification. So guys, now let me tap on done. So guys, now let me scroll downwards. You can see what's written there. Make sure you can access Google accounts by keeping this information up to date and adding more sign-in options. So guys, now you can see you can add up more sign-in options like the pass keys and security keys, and also you can actually add your authenticator app so that you can be able to receive codes that only you can actually get to log in to your Google account and also your YouTube channel. So guys, now you can see you can also turn on backup codes. These backup codes are actually useful in case you lose your phone or in case you don't have access to your phone again. You can actually use this backup code to actually get access to your Google account as well as your YouTube channel. So guys, make sure you save this backup code somewhere safe. You can actually get it right now. I can actually get it right now, but I will do that next time. So guys, if you lose your phone, these backup codes are very important. You can get it, print it, and keep it somewhere safe where no one can get access to it. So guys, these backup codes are important. Let me just go ahead now to get mine already so that I don't fall the risk of losing my Google account. Because if you lose access to your phone, or maybe for some reason Google cannot recognize your phone any longer, you can actually lose your Google account or maybe your YouTube channel. So you have to save up these backup codes. This will enable you to get access to your YouTube channel whenever something wrong is happening. So let me tap on get backup codes. Let me tap on this right away. And one thing you have to know is that these backup codes are actually 10 in number, so you can use only one at a time. And also, once these 10 backup codes are done, once you're done using the 10 backup codes, you can actually regenerate another set of backup codes that you can use subsequently in your future login. So guys, now that's how it works. So guys, now I've gotten my backup codes, so I'm going to print it and keep it somewhere safe, or you can actually save it in the cloud. And also, if you're saving this to the cloud or maybe your Google Drive or maybe your Google Photo, make sure you don't save it to the same Google account that you use in creating your YouTube channel, because once you can't get access to that Google account again, you can't get access to your Google Drive, to the cloud again where you saved it. So save it in a separate Google account, or save it somewhere safe that is not related to your Google account, so that you can get access to it anytime. So guys, now that's it. So let me go back now. Let me go back now to the YouTube Studio app. So guys, now you can see I'm back here. So guys, now you can see the apply button is now visible. You can see it right there. It is now visible. Now I can actually tap on it. It's now clickable. But before it was not there. It was actually unclickable. But now it is now clickable. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on apply now. So guys, let me do that right away. Let me tap on apply now. So guys, now you can see the steps to apply. The first one is to review base terms. The second one is to sign up for Google AdSense for YouTube, while the third one is to get reviewed. So guys, now let's begin with the first step, which is review base terms. You can see what's written there. They said, read these terms carefully as this apply to your participation in the YouTube Partner Program. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on start. So let me tap on start right away. So guys, now you can see the base terms. What you have to do now is to take your time to read through this. There are important information here you're going to need in your journey as a YouTuber. Make sure you read through it. Then after you're done reading through it, go down to the base. There you can see where it is written, I accept the base terms. You have to tick that box right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it now to tick it. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to tap on accept. So let me tap on accept. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It's going to take us back to YouTube Studio. So guys, now you can see we are done with the first step. As you can see, it has been marked good. So now let's go back to the second step, which is sign up for AdSense for YouTube. You can see what's written there. They said create a new AdSense for YouTube account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on start so that you can sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So guys, here you can either create a new AdSense account for your YouTube channel, or you can either use an already existing account. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on start. Let me tap on start right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube? So guys, now in case you don't have, what you have to do is to tap on no, I need to create one. But if you have, tap on the first option, which is yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. So guys, in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be going with the first option because I already have an AdSense account for YouTube. So guys, there's a difference between AdSense account for YouTube and ordinary AdSense account. For you to actually monetize your YouTube channel, you must have AdSense for YouTube. That means you must have created your AdSense account from this YouTube Studio, not just from the AdSense website. You must create your AdSense account from YouTube Studio for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So guys, now I've already done that, so let me tap on yes. But if you do not have an AdSense account for YouTube, what you have to do is to tap on no. Then once you tap on no, then you'll be taken through the process of actually creating an AdSense account. It's actually easy. All you're going to need is to input your personal information like your name, phone number, and address, and make sure the personal information and details that you're going to put there are actually real, and make sure they actually match with your identity, because you're going to be needing that to actually do your identity verification and your address verification. So it's important you put the right information in there. So guys, now let me tap on next. Let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. What is going to be the next step now is actually for me to actually choose the Google account that I used in creating my AdSense account already. So guys, now you can see the next step. They're asking me to choose an account. So I have to choose the Google account that I used in creating my AdSense account, my AdSense for YouTube. So let me go ahead now to choose it right away. Let me choose the right one. So guys, now I've selected the right Google account. So now it's loading. So guys, now you can see what's written there. AdSense for YouTube. Continue with this account. You're already linked to an existing Google product. Associate this account with your YouTube channel for easy setup, or use a different account to connect to AdSense for YouTube. So guys, now you can see the publisher account details. So what I have to do now is to scroll downwards to actually continue with this process. So let me tap on continue right there. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see setup account. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here. We are redirecting you to YouTube. Here you can continue your setup and start using AdSense for YouTube. So guys, let me tap on redirect to YouTube. Let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it is redirecting me back to my YouTube Studio. Wow guys, you can see we are done with the second step. You can see it has been marked good. You can see what's written there. You have successfully linked an AdSense for YouTube account. So guys, now let's go over to the third step. You can see what's written there. Get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. This usually takes about a month. So guys, now you can see what's written there, in progress. That means YouTube is actually reviewing this my channel now to see if it actually complies with their YouTube monetization policy. So guys, now usually it takes less than a month. It can even take like 2 days, 3 days, and a day, depending on how fast the YouTube support team actually reviewed your channel. So guys, what I will do here now is actually to wait. Then after my waiting period, in the next few days, my channel is going to be monetized and I will start earning from my YouTube channel. So guys, now the next step you have to take now after these 3 processes have been completed is to actually start making your money. And once you've earned up to $10 on your YouTube channel, then you can be able now to start to verify your address and your identity. You first of all verify your identity before your address. So guys, I have videos on my channel on how you can actually do that. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to my YouTube channel. You will see the videos, or I'll leave the links in this particular video in the description of this video. Tap on the links, then you'll be able to watch those videos on how you can actually verify your address and also verify your identity. So guys, those are actually important for you to actually get your money into your bank account. And also guys, I missed mentioning this. After you're done verifying your identity and your address, you have to actually add your payment method and also your tax info. So guys, I have videos on all of this, so you don't have to worry yourself about that. There are lots of videos that can actually teach you how to go about all this freely and easily. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you, and I believe you got value from it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever we release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.